Hi, this is Fern G. Carr. Welcome to my series, Poetry Forms and Genre, List Poetry. Learn about this easy-to-compose form along with a practical example featuring my poem, Enumeration. Feel free to leave any feedback in the comments section below. To ensure you don't miss out on upcoming bonus content, please be sure to click subscribe. Likes and shares are always appreciated too. List poetry, aka catalog verse, dates back to the 7th or 8th centuries BC with Homerian verses of lists from the Iliad. As the name indicates, this poetry form relies on lists of people, places, or ideas, for example, which combine to evoke emotion or relate a story. Anaphora, the repetition of a word or phrase at the beginning of a line, verse, etc., is often employed. Rather than be overly repetitious, though, I used a shortcut. Instead of starting the other 20 lines of my poem with the same 2 words, I opted to just use them in the first line, followed by a colon to convey the same effect. Enumeration. Waiting for Godot, the waiter to bring my order. Summer. Being taken off hold. Contractors to arrive. The oven to preheat. Holidays. Test results. The doctor. A pizza delivery. The light to turn green. Water to boil. First place in line. The phone to ring. Customer service. A delayed flight. My turn. A lucky break. Something better to come along. A time to stop waiting. Hey everyone, thanks very much for watching. For more free resources to help and entertain you, please be sure to click subscribe. My poetry book, Shards of Crystal, is available worldwide at retail bookstores and libraries via Ingram iPage and from Amazon.